So just why I think about it, a little tip for you if you're coming here. If you're going to use Google Maps, which is what I'm using to find our way around Savannakhet, because obviously I'm not familiar with it, then what you need to do, if you don't want to have a SIM card here in Laos, and the Thai SIM card does work by the river, but obviously as you move away from the river you lose signal. What I've done is downloaded the Savannakhet map, and that allows me to use Google without any internet connection or a connection, just GPS basically, because it's downloaded on the phone, and it's quite useful. So a little tip there for you if you're coming out here and you want to have a nosy around and find what's about. Go and ask now. Go and ask. There's a nail shop there. She walks past, she wants her nails done. Huh?
The hotel.
It's not, the hotel's just up the road. Go and ask. It's not far from the hotel at all. So I've got the map, I know where we are. You don't trust me. So there's a little tip for you. Download the Google map for that area and you can use it offline then, and you haven't got to worry about a signal and using your data. So that's a little tip. Not too much here in Savannakhet. There's a few shops. There's not masses like in Thailand. It's slightly different here in Laos, a little bit more quieter and laid back. The other thing is, obviously if you're married to a Thai person, with me bringing Nat, most of the people here in Savannakhet speak Thai, so there's no issue. I don't speak very good Thai. My Thai is only a little bit. It's ideal really, because you can ask them questions and that, and Nat can ask in Thai and they understand. So that's something, if you've got a Thai partner, you come in to make a marriage visa, you don't have to bring your partner. It is quite straightforward here, but maybe if you both want to come, you haven't got the issue of the language barrier, problems with the language, so that's another one for you as well. Okay, so we're now walking along a more main road here, and as you can see there's quite a few shops around here, and that's having a little nosy inside. Quite a few women's clothing shops along this road. It's a little bit busier here, more shops to choose from, but you need to be on the more main roads. They look like they sell both men and women's clothes. So Nat said she don't think they had those the last time we came. The gold shop over there I can see. There's a few shops around here. Huh? Well, we're trying to find that cafe, that bakery at the moment. It should be up here somewhere on the left hand side, but I'm not sure. Let's get across this road first of all, and then we shall go and check in at the hotel. It's starting to cloud up a little bit. The weather's not been too bad. It was lovely this morning, but it's just starting to cloud up, and it is just spitting with rain. Not as many street vendors as what there are in Thailand, but there are now a few more than the last time we came. The market area looks quite good. We'll take a look at that later on. Still walking around, and we just stumbled across this place, and this looks really nice here. The food, fried chicken, fried pork, more pork down there as well. They do a lot of sandwiches around here, and we found a couple of places for the nice soft sandwiches with the soft bread and that. And there's a cafe called Dolly's Cafe down there. He's doing pizzas which work out at 283 baht, all different ones, pepperoni and all the different toppings. So we might call down here this afternoon and have a pizza. It sounds like he's an English guy that's living over here doing the pizzas with his wife. And then there's this shop as well, which is just up from Dolly's Cafe. I don't know what this is called, this place here. They look like they're doing some nice pork food there, so I don't know what it is. It's soup, is it? Looks like pork and gravy. Oh, that looks delicious. I've got to say, that looks really nice. That looks really good. I must have to try that pork with rice and gravy. Try that as well. Okay. So we're finding a few newer places than the last time I came, because I didn't walk around this part of Savannakhet, so it's a case of just having a wander around if you've got the time, because the more you walk around, the more places obviously you discover. But there's quite a few of these shops selling the crusty bread, and that one in there. So I don't know what they do there, but yeah. So we're going to make our way back to the hotel. We're going to check in. Hopefully we can check in now, because it's gone 12 o'clock. It's sort of coming up to 12:30, and once we've checked in, we're going to obviously have a little bit of a rest. I'll put my phone on charge and different things, and then we'll come out this afternoon and do a bit more exploring, a little bit more eating and hopefully a little bit of drinking, and then this evening we'll also do a little bit of drinking and explore the market as well. Okay, so we've just stumbled across a massage shop. So this is the first one I've seen over here. There you go, there's the prices. So you've got a body massage from 80,000 to 110,000 kip, foot massage, head and shoulder, arm massage, and aromatherapy massage, 150,000, which is quite reasonable. This little place, and this is just round the corner from the hotel. So I might have to come and have a massage later, I think, because I haven't had one for a while. Yeah, have foot massage, head and shoulder. Yeah, so we might pop down and have a massage. So they do have massage shops over here. You come in the afternoon, have a massage, because that's the first one I've seen, but I'm sure there's more than one. Yeah, yeah, one thing we're noticing this time that they didn't have many of the last time we visited, which was mini marts. There seems to be more mini marts opening up here than before, so there's a few more extra facilities than 4 or 5 years ago, so that's quite good. We're just checking in now. The ladies are just on their way out into town, I think, and we can do the paper later, but they've got the room sorted. It's upstairs. Okay, bye. Oh, that's disappeared. That was the owner there, the lady. She's really nice, actually, really friendly, very relaxed here. We're going to check into our room, and this was 400 baht, so it gives you an idea. Let me find out where Nat's gone. Okay, so just down here, and this is our room. Excellent. Okay, we've got the bathroom off to the left. So WC, a small wash basin and a mirror there, and the shower on there, so that's okay. And then got a wardrobe, put your stuff in, a fridge, a large double bed, TV, air conditioning, of course, and some bottles of water. So that is fine. So not a bad room for 400 baht. It's just a bed really to sleep in overnight. And then let's have a look at what the views like out of the bedroom window. No, nothing fantastic, but it does the job for the amount of money we paid. Quite pleased with that. It's clean. I can see that it's clean on the floor. It's been cleaned. So excellent. There we go. Have you paid her?
No, she said later.
Oh, okay. She paid the money. So it's very relaxed here. No hassle whatsoever. So we're gonna get sorted out, and then once we've had a little bit of a rest, I've put my phone on charge. We'll go out later on this afternoon. I think Nat's going to have her hair done and nails. We're going to have some more food. Hopefully I can get a beer a little bit later on, and then we'll explore the market later on tonight. So yeah, I'll see you soon. Okay, so we're now settling into the hotel, and I've got to say the room is really comfortable. It's cost us 418 baht exactly. That's what we paid, 220,000 kip, and that works out at 418 baht. And I've got to say the room's really nice. It's clean, the air conditioning is quiet, it works really well. There's even a fan in the room, which I didn't notice when I was filming it, on the ceiling, which with the fan and the air conditioning on. I just wait for the motorbike to go because there's no point in talking with that noise in the background. So yeah, I'm really chuffed with the hotel for the amount of money we've paid for. It's a basic room, but it's comfortable, it's clean, so it's all you need really for one night. Nat is now going to have her hair and nails done, and then after she's had that done, we will have a wander into the town again a little bit later on, have some food, have a beer, etc. So the hotel, great. They also, we've just found out, rent motorbikes. I don't know how much they are. We're going to ask when we get back, because there were 2 lots of motorbikes just coming back as we were leaving. So next time we might rent a motorbike, because I dare say they're only probably 200, 300 baht a day, which is the price of the taxi fare really. So if you come down a little bit earlier, if we was to come, we could come on the bus from Mukdahan, and that only costs 50 baht, and that'll bring us to the centre of Savannakhet. Then we walk up to the hotel, check in, hire a bike, and then I could use the hire bike to go up to the embassy and come back, and you're going to save money. The hire bike will pay for itself because you won't have any taxis. So that's another option that you can have if your hotel has these little extras. So as I say, very pleased. I'll let Nat go and have her hair and nails done, and then I'll come and speak to you in a little while. So Nat has just had her nails done. She's had a manicure and a pedicure and a gel coating. Show the camera the nails. Look very, very nice. Made a nice job. Over here it's cost 160 baht, and Nat told me that in Phuket it would have cost 550 baht. That's correct, Nat?
Yeah.
Yeah? 550, so that was an absolute bargain. And then on top of that, she's just had her hair washed, shampooed and dried, put her hat on the top.
And then also I could teach you also about what.
Nat teaching the salon lady. So that was how much? 35,000, I think it was. 35,000 baht, which works out at what? A whopping, wait for it, a whopping, yeah, divided by, yeah, a whopping 66 baht. So that's for a wash, shampoo and dry. So a lot cheaper in Laos for services like that than what it is in Phuket. How much would that have cost at your salon? Yeah, what you've just had done? 150 baht. So half the price basically. We are now just popping back to the hotel, and then once we've finished doing what we've got to do at the hotel, we shall go and have some food. So I will come back to you very, very shortly. I should mention, I've got the video recording. Just look at the weather here in Savannakhet. Blue skies. So beautiful weather. So after a very wet start to our trip, we've got a very nice day today. So I'll speak to you soon.